Looks to me like yeah, this is, maybe this is just going to be another one of the same sort of things where you have just a giant sort of bounce before you get another break. Look, we have a marker here, halfway back down from the low we just made at 84.60, and the recent high that we just made up here at 06, I guess 05, halfway back. Sell a unit at a little bit below halfway back. Was that about 80? Sell a unit at 80. Sell one unit at 80, and if we get down there, which I think it's a little bit more than halfway back, we get down below there, then we should probably go through. The way this has been today is it has been breaking, it's been rallying a lot more than you'd anticipate. Okay, we just got filled. Okay, just got filled. Stop above that most recent. Tell you what, put it all the way above the high. All the way above the high at, as I guess, 06. Stop above at 06. And tell you what, bring it all the way down to 99. Bring that from 06 down to 99. We should not, if we're going to go down, we should not get up there. We should not get up there. And I think that, having come halfway back, and that's been kind of the characteristic. You go further than is anticipated, and then you break. And when that happens, yeah, here we go. Okay, good. Now, I'm a little reluctant down here. I don't know if we want to add here quite yet. This could, we made a new low. Okay, we've come down here and made just by a few ticks. We don't want to do this again and have to run for cover here where it comes back so far we're scratching ourselves out. Let's leave our stop up there on a unit, and if we can find a second spot where we've got a good profit on the one unit and try to keep the second unit as a sort of like a separate trade that has its own stop separate from the first one, and manage it as a separate unit. Otherwise, we're liable to just get all stopped out again by trying to get these things in too close together like this. Pardon me. Okay, down a little bit lower here. Let's see, double. What is double? What is double? What is double? Gosh, I remember double. What is that? I'm sorry, I don't remember what that level is. There was something about the double level. Well, half. I don't know. It's about. I mean, we've had. This is still. Yeah. Okay, we're starting to get the rally. Okay, we're liable to get the rally and have it come up and cross over our entry like it's done earlier. And if that's the case, we want to make sure that, we want to have our stop closer than this. We don't want to have a 20 ticks. Excuse me. We really don't want to have a 20 tick stop, but at the same time, we've overlapped all that other stuff. Haven't come above that level yet. The 78 or whatever that is there. I tell you what, as soon as this starts to move lower, if it starts to move lower, let's bring the stop down, I think to break even. Yeah, right now, bring a stop down to break even, and that way, if there's another move up here, hopefully it will not come any higher than that 76 level that we're at, and it looks like, pardon me, this kind of thing. You notice the last one, it made a first move up like we just saw, and then it broke down again, came down almost down to the low, and then wait a minute, this time we made a double bottom here though, and then it rallied up a lot more, retracing more than halfway back. If we come back up here again, if we move the stop down lower, we're probably just going to get stopped out right away as this thing goes back up to the 75. Maybe a little higher. Hopefully will not come all the way up to our break-even 80 level. And if it does that, then we're going to have something of a problem. Oh, what was that? Whoa! Oh, we broke! We broke! Sell a unit beneath the current low. Beneath the current low, sell another unit. Second unit. Sell a second unit below the low. Wow! I didn't see that at all. did not see that at all. Okay. Okay, it's going to do what it wants to do, I guess. I thought we were going to have another bounce there. Bump your stop up to 2 units. Bump the stop up to 2 units right away. And tell you what, bring it all the way down to break even. Bring your stop down to break even, all the way down. This is a little different now. We've got a much smaller rally after we got filled on the first unit, and then it broke away right away and had another small rally. Tell you what, let's bring your stop down a little bit. Bring it down to, I don't know, bring it down to 59. It's a bit above that prior high there, but at least it'll give us enough room so that if it comes roaring up here, we're not going to get stopped out with a loss on 2 units. Pardon me, on 2 units. That we don't want to do. Okay, we're coming down right at the low here again, and you know, it's bouncing around a little bit. This is really close to that last unit. We're starting to get congestive down here too. It's also really, really close to that the other low that we had. Where there it was at 09, I think it was yesterday evening. I mean, yeah, the overnight deal. I don't know. Slightly lower low here. That's good. We like that. Okay, again, great. Let's see. Bring your stop down. Bring your stop down to 41, all the way down to 41. Stop down to 41. Wow, look at this. Sell a unit. Sell a third unit beneath the current low. Sell a third unit at whatever it is, 04, I think it is, just below the current low. You can mark that. Try to find that right below the current low. We'll try to get a third unit in place. That second unit is already. Bring a stop down now to 35. Stop to 35 filled on the unit. Bring it down to 31. Bring the stop down to 31. Bump your stop. Make sure it's up to the to 3 units. Oh, great! This is a good trade. It's a very, very good trade now. Very good trade. Looks like we're coming. Oh man, we are really down here. We are really down. Tell you what, bring your stop all the way down to, gosh, what is that? Bring it down to 10. Bring your stop down to 10. Wow. Oh, great. Great. That's a few ticks away from our last entry, a third unit. We haven't had, this has been a good decline here. It's a long way back. Looks like we're trying to, we're through. We're through the level from yesterday to around noon. That was a fast move too. That was a fast drop off down there at that. We haven't had any kind of rally yet. Wow, all the way down to the 60s. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna mark this last high here. It's around 80 or so. You know, just be looking at the prior highs here. We don't want this thing to come jamming up. Oh, all the way up. We don't want to come up jamming up in our face and take away all this profit that we got in here. Let's see. Oh, another high. Oh, you know, well, maybe it'll go. It looks like it's going to go down here from here again. Looks like it's going to decline from here again. So let's just hang in there. We don't want to see it make a higher high, otherwise I think we're going to get above even. If we do get above even here, then I think we could get a run that might come a lot farther against. Shoot, another high. Another high. I don't like this here. Just cover the position. Cover the position right here. Cover it. Just cover it. Cover the position. well, good job. We had 3 units in place. Great profit on 3 units. I don't know what, 60 ticks or so, or something like that. A great job. 50. I don't recall. In fact. Anyway, great job. Let's keep focused here. If this is going to go down again, what we're going to do here. Let's see. Enter a stop, an entry stop down at 73. Beneath, down there at 73, just in case we start to head down again. We'll drag that up if we don't have to get long here. And then what we'll do is